Welcome to this Music of Life guided meditation for deeper connection and peace. This is one of my favorite guided meditations that you can use anytime, but it can be especially useful when there are external distractions and noise around you. It's also great for when the mind has a difficult time settling down. We all have times in our days when things get noisy around us and we don't always have control over them. You can practice this meditation each morning or during the day, or when you simply feel the need for more calm. It will help you to be more connected to your life, more connected to your surroundings, as well as being more connected to your inner world and your inner self. Let's begin. Please come to a comfortable seated posture. Cross-legged pose on the floor or sitting in a chair, whichever works best for you. Hands can rest on your thighs or your knees, palms face up or down. You may also take a mudra if you wish. Gently close your eyes. Sit with your spine long and straight. You don't need to make it stiff or rigid. Sit tall, but keep the natural curvature of your spine, as if someone is holding a string from the top of your head and your spine is naturally hanging down. Relax your shoulders. Relax your face. Relax your forehead, the space between your eyebrows. Relax all the small muscles of your face. Relax your tongue. Relax your jaw. Relax your shoulders. Relax your arms. Take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Another deep breath in and a slow breath out. Now gently bring your awareness to where your body is touching the ground or the floor. Notice the sensations of what your body feels on the parts that are touching the ground or the floor. Notice the sensations you feel on your hands as it touches your thighs or your knees. Or if you're making a mudra, the parts of the hands and fingers that are touching. Notice all the small sensations you feel. Now bring your awareness to what you hear. Listen to all the sounds that are going on around you. Listen and notice all the various sounds, loud sounds, quiet sounds, whatever you hear. Simply notice and observe the sounds without labeling them. Listen without judgment and without criticism. It's as if you're hearing these sounds for the very first time. What would you think you're hearing if you had never heard of these sounds before? Listen with curiosity, as if you are a baby. You don't have any labels or names for these sounds, and you don't have any particular associations of good sounds or bad sounds. You hear them simply as various notes, various frequencies and vibrations, simply sounds bouncing in and out of your eardrums. Continue to listen. Listen as if you're sitting at a concert, but it's an experimental concert where music is being made by instruments that we normally don't associate as musical instruments. Random sounds are being used to create music. Continue to listen. Now become even more still and see if you can hear any sounds that you haven't heard or noticed yet. What new sounds can you hear? Now, as you listen and notice, begin to connect the different sounds together. The various notes from various sounds are like dots being connected, like music notes, one following another. You begin to connect them together. You continue to listen closely, and you begin to hear the music of life, the grand symphony of life. Now become even more still, and this time tune inwards. Go inside of yourself. And perhaps you can begin to hear the sound of your own breathing as the breath goes in and out of your body. Perhaps you can even hear the sound of your own heart beating. Notice how you are now an instrument playing a part in this music of life, playing a part in this grand symphony of life. Notice the interconnectedness of everything. Notice the beauty in this continuous flow of life. The ebb and flow of various sounds playing with each other. Hear this beautiful music of life. You may stay here as long as you wish. And when you're ready, gently begin to bring your awareness back to your breath, back to your physical body. Gently come back to the room or the space you're sitting in. And carry the sense of connectedness with you as you go about the rest of your day. Notice the beauty in everything in life. Allow yourself to drop the labels, drop the judgments, and drop any criticisms. See things as they are, just as you heard the sounds as they are. See and recognize the pure beauty in yourself and in everything else that you encounter in life. When we drop the judgments, we're able to experience life much more clearly, in a much more connected way. Namaste.